Forex, 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 Forex. Welcome to my channel, and I'm about to teach you and break down what Forex actually means and what Forex has been talked about or where you've heard about Forex. I want to explain what Forex is for you. We must have been hearing about Forex trading here and there, and I believe most people are still confused on how Forex actually works or how they can earn through Forex, right? Most of you might have seen charts of people who trade and you get confused because you feel lost on what they are actually doing because it made you remember your high school days and brought back the feeling of how much you hated mathematics, drawing lines and their calculations and all that. Well, this is different, right? Like they say, what you don't know, you'll have to learn and get to know, and get knowledge of that particular subject. I will give you a clear example of what Forex is about and how you have one way or the other participated in Forex trading. But first, Forex is an abbreviated name. It's called foreign exchange. Forex is called foreign exchange. Using yourself as an example, if you've ever traveled from Nigeria to London or any other foreign country which isn't your country, right? You have traded Forex. Now, the question you have in mind is, how did I trade Forex? Just by traveling? Well, when you were about to leave your country, there's something called PTA, and in full name, personal travel allowance. You know, that was what you traded against your currency, which you took your currency there and they gave you USD, Euro, or pounds, or whatever currency or whatever country you're going to. Which in my case, you gave them Naira, right? You might be watching this video from somewhere, so take your currency as that instance. It doesn't have to be the Naira, which is my country currency. So the act of changing or converting your currency to the currency of the destination you intend to travel to has made you traded what? Two currency, which in the clear note is you trading Forex. Take note, Forex stands for foreign exchange. Now, I believe Forex is clear to you. Your next question would be, if I am not traveling, how can I make money through Forex from the comfort of my home? Well, guess what? That is why I'm making this video for you, so I can give you a better explanation on how to get the concept of how to trade Forex. Now, I'm going to explain the tools you need to trade Forex and start making money from Forex. Now, we are back. The tools you need to trade Forex are very simple. The things you need in using to trade Forex, I'm going to give you them in a list right now. You need your phone, you need your laptop, you need a broker, and you need to start trading. Now, I'll explain more on what role these things I've listed has to play, starting with the phone. There are apps you need to download on the phone, which is an MT4 or an MT5 trading platform. This trading platform helps you to execute a trade. The second one is the broker I use, which is Xness. I'm going to be sharing the link down in the description below, so you can go there and start signing up. That's for the phone. And the next one here now is the laptop. They are optional because you don't really need the laptop to trade because you have your phone already. But mostly the laptop is mainly needed to check your trade analysis. The trading platform is called tradingview.com. So now let's go to my laptop or my computer so I can show you what TradingView looks like. Here we are. And this is your TradingView. This interface you're seeing right now is your TradingView. Ignore the lines. I'm going to have to delete them right away. Just ignore them. So this is a TradingView platform. This is a platform of where you come, to analyze your trades. It's a website which you use to trade different currency pairs like GBP, USD, or any currency which you wish to trade yourself. It's also used to do technical analysis, which I'll be teaching you in my class when you enroll for mentorship. I don't charge much, just something to say thank you for the hard work and the other thing as well, which are relevant for your trade to go well. So this is what a trading platform analysis is, and this is where you're gonna be taking most of your trade. So the next one now is broker. What is the broker? Who are brokers? So let's jump in back to the big screen so you can understand what brokers are and what they do. I want you to understand what a broker is, what a broker does for you. So what need to start thinking is, what does this broker mean? What do they do for us? A forex broker is like a middleman between you and the currency markets. They provide a platform for you to trade currencies, offering services like executing your trades, providing market analysis, and often giving you access to the leverage to amplify your trading power. Basically, they help you buy and sell currencies in the forex market. Now, I want you to understand what leverage is all about in the forex. Not so many people I have seen explain this and in a well-broken analysis for people who know nothing about forex to understand. So now I'm going to explain what leverage is for you. So, what is leverage? Leverage in forex trading is borrowing money from your broker to increase the size of your positions in the market. It allows you control a large amount of currency with a small amount of your own money. For example, with a leverage of 50 to 1, you can control $50 in the market with just $1 of your own money. It can amplify both your profits and your losses. So it's important to use it wisely and understand the risk involved. Let me give you more enlightenment on this. So if you have a $1,000 account and you choose to leverage 50 to 1, the one in the leverage stands as a percentage of your own money which was deposited in the account, and the 50 represents the money, the loan of which the broker is giving to you. So how it's being calculated is, if you have a $1,000 in your account, you multiply by 50. So look at it, this way: $1,000 times 50, which is the leverage, they will give us, and that sums up to $50,000. So this means you can trade up to $50,000 worth of currency in the market. So what does this mean? I know you're confused right now. So asking how you can trade 50K when you got just $1,000 in your account. Now listen. When the broker loans you this money isn't for you. You should basically do the calculations of what you can profit or loss with your own money, given the lot size, the PEEP, but with your own money. The broker gives these leverages as a loan so you can be able to trade in more positions in the market. The market is very big. So, what do I mean by positions? When you execute a trade, if you were not given a leverage, you will be very careful of how many trades you want to open. A clear example is just as what you see here in the picture. And the other one is the other example here is, you're saying is you are trading with your own money, right? Sorry. A clear example is just as what you see here in the picture, and the other one, which is just one, is as if you're trading with your own money and you don't want to risk it by opening more trades and get losses, when it doesn't go your way. I believe this has been cleared out. I totally love to explain and break things down to people because, one thing is, I have realized that most people find it difficult to process things very fast and very easy, right? And most people do process things in a very faster way. So that's leverage for now. So let's discuss currency pairs and what they represent and what they act on over here are the currency pairs, the JPY, the USD against each other, GBP against each other are currency pairs. But they have two types and they have their meaning and the position, right? So the base currency is the first currency listed in the currency pair and represents a currency being bought or sold. The quote currency. The quote currency is the second currency listed in the currency pair and its currency and is the currency in which the exchange rate, yeah. So and is the currency in which the exchange rate is quoted. It represents the currency that you use to pay for the base currency. Using the same example, in Euro USD currency pair, the US dollars is the quote currency, right? Because what is on the right? The base currency, which is on the left, is the euro. So if you buy the euro USD pair, you're paying US dollars to buy the euros. In summary, the base currency is the currency you are trading, while the quote currency is the currency you're using to pay for the base currency. The exchange rate tells you how much of the quote currency is needed to purchase one of the base currency. So there are major currency pairs in the market, and I'm going to list them for you. The major currency pairs that crosses with the USD, and they are the most valuable to trade. And this currency are the Euro USD, the JBP USD, the USD JPY, the AUD USD, the NZU, the NZD USD, the USD CFH, the USD CAD. So why do I call them the major currencies? Because these currencies are very less manipulated. All right. So now I want to talk about the forex market opening hours, right? So the forex market opening hours are 24 hours in a day and 5 days in a week. So how do they operate through this country timings, right? So the London section, the Sydney section, the Tokyo section, and the New York section. So when we go on the web, you search for forex market time on Google and go to the images. The image here shows that the Sydney sections open first, the Tokyo section follows, the London section follows, and then ends in the New York section. So the market, the market runs for 24 hours, right, from Monday to Friday. So I'm going to explain to you, maybe in my next episode, how the time frame is. But I want you to go to Google and do the research yourself, search for the time so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay? So the best time to trade for me, I see most people talk about how the best time for them to trade is and this and that. That they like to trade in the New York section because that's when the liquidity and the volatility and all that thing operates. But I don't do those things. I just feel like the best time for me to trade is anytime. The market runs more on the London to the New York hours, which is well understood. But the best time to trade depends on what analysis you have done to execute a trade. No matter what best the market or no matter what time is best for you, even if the time is now or whatever, if your analysis are not right, you're definitely not going to win that trade. You understand? You're definitely not going to win the trade. So if you've gotten to this stage, I believe you've decided to go into forex trading deeply because knowledge is treasure, but curiosity is the key to unlocking its riches, right? So now, we're going to talk about peep and pipet and what they represent and act as. So in our next class, we're going to discuss about peep and pipet. We're going to talk about lot sizes. We're going to talk about lots more. So I'll see you in our next, in our next YouTube video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, share, and I wish you all the best in this journey. Goodbye.